Today, we have a real treat for you as we embark on a mesmerizing journey through one of London's most iconic landmarks, the Buckingham Palace Gardens. As we step into the Buckingham Palace Gardens, we're immediately greeted by a sense of grandeur and history. This 39-acre oasis, nestled right in the heart of London, has been a private retreat for the British monarchy for generations. But now, we have the privilege of exploring its beauty together. These gardens have witnessed countless historic moments and royal celebrations throughout the years. From jubilant coronations to quiet moments of contemplation, the Buckingham Palace Gardens hold an essential part of the United Kingdom's history. One of the most delightful aspects of the Buckingham Palace Gardens is the wide variety of flora and fauna it hosts. The meticulously manicured lawns, the tranquil lake, and the blossoming flower beds create a stunning tapestry of colors and scents. Amidst the bustling city, these gardens offer a serene escape, a true retreat fit for royalty. Imagine strolling through these peaceful pathways, surrounded by nature's embrace. It's no wonder why the royal family cherishes this haven. As our captivating journey through the Buckingham Palace Gardens comes to an end, I hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour and gained a newfound appreciation for this hidden gem. It's a testament to the harmonious blend of nature and history that London offers.